Hi, welcome to my channel. This short video is going to be how to copy a file out of a Docker container. So I'm just getting started with Docker, and I ran into a situation where I had to, let me just do a history first so I can show you the commands. So if I do a history and pipe that into grep, and we'll just do grep, let's do grep Docker, oops, no capitals, Docker, and then we're going to do cp because that's the copy command, and it'll show you the commands I made. So I'm working in Node-RED, and I needed to copy out the settings file because I messed up my settings file for Node-RED, and the Docker container wouldn't start as a result, which kind of bothered me a little bit. But at any rate, that's how, that was my need. So my new need is to copy out this Twitter batch file, and you can see I've already done it once here, but I wanted to do it again because I stopped recording halfway through. So what I'm going to do is, so I need to copy this out, and you can see this is where the file is located, because Node-RED writes to your configured directory if you don't give it something specific. So you can see to copy out, we just do docker cp, and then we want the container we're going to copy out of, Node-RED, and it doesn't have to be running, which is, so it can be a non-running container or running. And then you can't do tab completion because the host bash can't see what's inside the container. So I'm going to do user source and Node-RED, so I got to be explicit, and Twitter batch follow. So this is a list of people that I would like to follow on Twitter, and then I'm going to have a way to to check off which ones I definitely follow or not. So it's not like a Twitter bot quite, but like halfway bot. It does the searching for me. So so I did something wrong. So that's the source file, or the source of it. So I also need the destination, which is the current working directory. So I just hit a period there. And now I have that file. So if I do an ls Twitter, you see that it's existing there. And if we cat Twitter, we can have a random Twitter account there. So my Node-RED flow doesn't quite work as well as I'd like it to. It just writes it to the CSV over and over again, but I'm still working on that. So that's it. That's how you copy out of. Now, so say, like, for example, the settings file. So so the settings.js, I think that's right here. Yep. So say I want to copy that in. Let me do my history again so we can have something to look at. So that right there is going to be this one, I think. Yeah. So I'm copying the settings from the current working directory. So docker cp, and it's easy to remember because it's the same command. So settings, and this I can use code completion because I'm in the host. And then the container I'm going to copy it to, and this specifically where I want it to land. So node, I think I could probably just put data, but I'll type it explicitly. Settings.js and enter. And there we go. So that's it. That's copying from and copying back to a container. And remember, the container doesn't need to be running. So this is a very useful sort of first command for noobs like me. If you like these, make sure you subscribe. And as I don't do them on a regular basis, sorry I stumble over my words there a little bit. As I don't do it on a regular basis, you might want to click the alarm bell so that you get notified when I do new ones. So have a great day. Thanks.